हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम टू द वी विल लिसन पॉडकास्ट। सो आज मैं और करण एक चीज के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं विच इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड आजकल तो मतलब इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग टू थिंक अबाउट हाउ ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी इन द करंट एरा इज वर्किंग, राइट? सो सबसे पहले टुडे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट रियलिटी एंड फिक्शन, कि क्या फिक्शन है क्या रियलिटी है, एंड जो हमारी जनरेशन है इसको सो कॉल्ड जेन बोलते हैं उसके मेंटल हेल्थ एंड साइकोलॉजी के ऊपर फिक्शन का कितना बड़ा इम्पैक्ट रहता है, राइट? तो सबसे पहले करण, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट द करंट सिनेरियो ऑफ फिक्शन टू रियलिटी का जो रेशियो रहता है एक बंदे की पर्सनैलिटी चेंज में? एक बंदे की पर्सनैलिटी कितनी हद तक इन्फ्लुएंस होती है फिक्शन से, कितनी हद तक होनी चाहिए, एंड कितना पॉजिटिव है इसका, कितना नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट है?
impact. It's more than it should be. Q, I have a
हम्म।
very, I think everybody knows this reason. The reason is that Gen Z has a lot of privileges, and un privileges mein, I'll not even say privileges. The thing is that Gen Z does not have an imminent threat on their hand to handle. Not an imminent
ट्रू।
one. Maybe in the
या।
future, in the foreseeable
हम्म।
future, but not immediately. तो पता है क्या होता है, देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ रीजन, स्पेशली विद ऑनलाइन क्लासेस। वी नो कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के बाद सब लोग अपने लैपटॉप एंड स्क्रीन, एवरीबॉडी इज क्वारंटीन, तो घर पे ही है, फिक्शन देखे जा रहे हैं, देयर इज बिंज वॉचिंग।
या।
बिंज वॉचिंग was not possible for the generations before us, for Gen X, for millennials, for baby boomers. It was not possible for them. Why? Because the thing is कि उनके पास बिंज वॉचिंग के ऑप्शन नहीं था ना, कोई उनके पास नेटफ्लिक्स था नहीं।
एग्जैक्टली। ऑप्शन भी
अगर
बहुत
उनको
रीसेंट है।
अगर उनको टीवी देखना भी था, तो वो ज्यादा में ज्यादा क्या कर सकते थे, जो टीवी पे आ रहा था वो देख सकते थे। दे कुडंट चूज, ऑन डिमांड नहीं था। जो आ रहा था, जो ब्रॉडकास्ट हो रहा था, उसी को आप परसीव करते थे। ठीक है।
या।
बट अब हमारे पास नेटफ्लिक्स है, वी हैव अदर ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म्स। व्हाट वी कैन डू इज वी कैन जस्ट ओपन अप, आई वांट टू वॉच फ्रेंड्स, आई ओपन फ्रेंड्स एंड आई वॉच ऑल 10 सीजन।
या। रेडिली अवेलेबल हो गया अब।
रेडी अवेलेबल है। उससे पता है क्या होता है, उससे एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री बहुत ज्यादा ग्रो हुई है, एंड उस ग्रोथ की वजह से अब एंटरटेनमेंट में मेजॉरिटी ऑफ इट इज फिक्शन। एंड क्योंकि मेजॉरिटी ऑफ इट इज फिक्शन, वो
या।
एक यू नो फिक्शन का पॉइंट ही क्या होता है, फिक्शन इज सपोज टू बी एन एस्केप। ठीक है, फिक्शन इज सपोज टू बी एन एस्केप, कि अगर तुम फिक्शन पढ़ रहे हो या फिर फिक्शन देख रहे हो, उसका पॉइंट ही यही है कि
हम्म।
तुम उसको देख के तुम अपनी रियलिटी से एस्केप कर रहे हो, सो दैट यू कैन फील कंफर्टेबल, सो दैट यू कैन फील बेटर, एंड ये
या।
लिटरेचर में हमेशा दिखता है कि पीपल वांट टू एस्केप फ्रॉम देयर लाइव्स बिकॉज दे आर नॉट satisfied with it or whatever it is, जो भी करना है, पर रियलिटी एस्केप करना चाहते हैं। तो अब क्या
हम्म।
हो गया है, अब जेंजी का फिक्शन क्योंकि इतनी ज्यादा अवेलेबल है फिक्शन, और इतनी ज्यादा फिक्शन हम देख रहे हैं, तो हमारे ऊपर फिक्शन का इम्पैक्ट सर्टेनली पड़ेगा, बहुत ज्यादा पड़ेगा।
डेफिनेटली। या।
आई विल टेल यू समथिंग, देयर आर कंप्लीट यूनिवर्सेस नाउ। ठीक है। अगर पहले किसी को एक टीवी सीरियल देखना होता था, टीवी सीरियल्स यूज्ड टू बी लाइक कि तुमने टीवी सीरियल खोला, उस पे जो एपिसोड आ रहा है, so you
या।
have Harry Potter universe, you have Marvel universe, you have Snyderverse, you have so many things that are related, connected, and you can they're together. एक universe बनाया हुआ है, complete universe बनाया हुआ है, that is actually what people would like to escape to. ठीक है।
या।
जहाँ पे लोग जाना चाहें, मतलब इट इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल टू थिंक अबाउट कि एक वर्ल्ड है जहाँ मैजिक एग्जिस्ट करता है, मैजिक से हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, इट इज वेरी वो, एंड क्योंकि वो इतना ज्यादा देख रहे हैं, हमारा इतना ज्यादा उस पे
फैसिनेटिंग है बहुत।
हाँ, इट्स वेरी फैसिनेटिंग। तो वो जो फैसिनेशन होता है, वो फैसिनेशन फिक्शन को रियलिटी की वांट में बदल है, एंड इसमें ना people start morphing their personality. I'll tell you
या।
something. I'll talk about two characters that I want. ठीक है। एक character I'll talk about, Barney Stinson from How I Met Your Mother. All of
या।
the fans of How I Met Your Mother will know that Barney Stinson is a womanizer. He's very lucky around. He's very lucky in general. He does a lot of fun stuff. He does a lot of legend, wait for it, Teddy stuff. So all that stuff that he does, it makes you wanna be Barney Stinson.
या।
It makes me wanna be Barney
बहुत।
Stinson.
या।
Exactly. It makes you wanna be like that. And people,
या।
people try to morph their personalities. Like it's also there in the other sitcom, The Friends. There's Joey. He's like, "How you doing?" Everybody,
You.
I see a lot of people doing that,
Yeah.
and
बहुत.
before I watched Friends, I did not know what it meant. But I get
Yeah,
it why
obviously.
people do
How
it
would you?
because they want his personality, because they're fascinated by his personality and they want his
Exactly.
personality, and that is what they are trying to do. So it's that fiction इतना affect
Inspiration
करता है.
will.
हाँ, इंस्पिरेशन देता है. वो आपको उस पर्सनालिटी, क्योंकि आपको वो पर्सनालिटी इतनी पसंद आती है ना, यू वांट टू बी दैट. एंड द थिंग
Yeah.
इज इट्स नॉट रॉन्ग to be better, and to like something and want to be like it. There's nothing wrong in it, but the thing is that is where it comes. It's fiction. It's not
Fiction.
real.
Nobody's
Barney,
perfect. Is like that. Yeah.
Barney Stinson does not exist. You
Exactly.
cannot you cannot be that big of a womanizer. You cannot. That is disgusting in real life.
Yeah. Exactly.
It is.
That you can't get away with it in real life. Yeah.
You
You
think
just
it's very beautiful but that is in the TV. But when you come into
exactly.
real life and you try to do what Barney Stinson does, and you
You
try to do
can't.
what those characters do, and they get away with that sort of thing, if you try to do it in real life, you're going to be in some deep shit. Seriously.
Exactly. Yeah, and like talking about myself, यार मैंने inspiration बहुत ली है personally from people like Tony Stark. मतलब बहुत genuinely like a billionaire playboy philanthropist who doesn't want to be that. That looks like the ideal future, not the ideal, but like the perfect future, the perfect life, right? And I know that can act now. उसके ना एक दो impact हो सकते हैं. First impact हो सकता है I want to become him, but I don't want to become the Tony Stark. I want to become Vihan with characteristics of Tony Stark. There's a difference. I want to become a billionaire in the future. I want to like stand a huge company, and I like literally want to be a billionaire. That is good. That is motivation. That is I want to become a billionaire. And Tony Stark gave me that perspective that if you become a billionaire, life will be so good. But on the other hand, there's a difference on a person who is so fascinated by Tony Stark that his whole life motive is just Tony Stark banna. And Tony Stark banna is not possible in real life. It's a fictional character. There's a difference between taking inspiration and literally just like trying to become someone and copying them. And तुम इस एज में तो टोनी स्टार्क बन भी नहीं सकते हो. इस स्टेज में अगर तुम कुछ भी बनने की कोशिश करते हो, दे डोंट रियलाइज दैट इट्स नॉट दैट इजी टू बिकम टोनी स्टार्क. टोनी स्टार्क तुम 2 दिन में मूवी देख के नहीं बनते हो. टोनी स्टार्क बनने के लिए सालों की मेहनत लगती है, एंड वो तो एक लॉन्ग टर्म चीज है. नोबडी सीज दैट. द ओनली थिंग दे कैन सी इज कि मेरे को टोनी स्टार्क बनना है. कैसे बनना है, 20 साल की मेहनत लगेगी, वो नहीं पता. टोनी स्टार्क बनना है. Now, talking about fascination with fiction and woe, there's a new trend I was really interested about. It was reality shifting. Now, at first, when I heard about it, I thought of it as completely absurd. But like I looked into it, and the thing is, listen the concept basically. Reality shifting is a concept जिसमें एक बंदा so-called claims to shift realities. They shift their subconsciousness into a different reality, and that's a reality of, for example, a cinematic universe. That can be, for example, let's take the Marvel Cinematic Universe, the Harry Potter Cinematic Universe, literally the Snyder Universe. They claim दैट ये अपने सोल या अपने सबकॉन्शियसनेस को उस रियलिटी में शिफ्ट करते हैं while their physical body is still in the current reality. Now, first of all, I had a huge laugh when I first heard about it, that people really believe in this stuff. And it's that people don't realize that this all is pseudoscience. People take one point, that is, multiple realities exist, and there is a very good possibility that they do. But वो इस एक साइंस के पॉइंट को लेकर इतना बड़ा सर्कल बना देते हैं which has nothing to do with reality. The point taken was true. There is a very good chance that क्या पता multiple realities, multiple universes, we don't know anything about the universe as of now. But does that mean that we can shift to a different reality? That to a reality in which Harry Potter exists? No, that doesn't happen. And we have to realize that we can't just go on and say nahi mere ko ye karna hai to mere ko karna hai, you can do whatever you believe in. Life doesn't work that way. You can't go on and meet Tony Stark. And the people who claim that they have shifted realities, now what is shifting reality basically? Like, if so many people are claiming that हमने तो reality shift की है, we have been to the Harry Potter cinematic universe or we have been to the Marvel cinematic universe, हमने तो reality shift की है, तुम कैसे बोल सकते हो कि reality shifting possible नहीं है? Well, that is just lucid dreaming. Now, I have done very deep research about lucid dreaming because I was very fascinated by the idea. Lucid dreaming is basically being so obsessed with a particular idea or lucid dreaming itself that you have a control over your own dreams. And that can happen. You can harness the power of your subconscious mind and control your dreams. Lucid dreaming is possible because you have a control over your own subconscious. That is completely scientifically possible. And people have done that. But this Gen Z has just named that concept of lucid dreaming, that simple concept of controlling your dreams, into मैं सोया, मेरी बॉडी अर्थ पे थी एंड मेरा सोल किसी और यूनिवर्स में चला गया. Your subconscious didn't go into some other universe. You were sleeping. Your subconscious was thinking that you were in that universe and you enjoyed it. And that is pretty cool. Nobody complains that you shouldn't do reality shifting. Perfectly fine. Do whatever you want. People do lucid dream. People like lucid dreaming. But claiming this idea of pseudoscience that मैं तो किसी और reality में जाकर वापस आ चुका हूँ is completely senseless. It's just your subconscious mind. इसको भी छोड़ के, this was just a huge case study of how the people are obsessed with multiple realities, these fictions, so much that इनको बस जाना है. They just want to escape from their not even depressed, normal, boring lives. इनको magic चाहिए. They want the Marvel Cinematic Universe because that seems so fascinating कि भाई there is a world जहाँ पे aliens attack कर रहे हैं, जहाँ पे super heroes में बचा रहे हैं. And to be very honest, that is so fascinating. Why would you ever want to live in this world when you believe that there is some other world that exists जहाँ पे ये सब हो रहा है? So it completely makes sense why the people are so obsessed with this. But it's just that इस चीज की वजह से तुम्हारा रियल लाइफ फंक्शनिंग रियलिटी में हैम्पर नहीं होनी चाहिए बिकॉज दैट्स स्ट्रेट अप स्टूपिड देन. क्योंकि तुम अगर इतने ऑब्सेस्ड हो जाते हो एक फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर या एक फिक्शनल यूनिवर्स से दैट यू डोंट वांट टू कम बैक टू द रियलिटी व्हिच इज वेरी मच पॉसिबल, तो तुम अपनी रियल लाइफ हैम्पर कर रहे हो. यू हैव टू गिव योरसेल्फ रियलिटी चेक्स दैट दिस इज नॉट रियलिटी. द रियलिटी एग्जिस्ट्स इन विच तुम्हारी ये लाइफ है and you have to work in it to make it as close as to your fantasy. We know that magic doesn't exist. But if I want to become Tony Stark, I won't just go on and binge watch all the Iron Man movies. Instead, I have to give myself a reality check that that's fiction. And if I want to get anywhere close to that, I have to work in this real life. So it's all about that of being obsessed. We have talked about this in the addiction and attraction video too. Being obsessed with anything is not good. Being obsessed, as you said, अब जब एक बंदे को escape मिल रहा है एंड वो बंदा उस escape को कभी भी हार्नेस कर सकता है. इट्स लाइक अ बटन है, बटन दबाओ तो तुम्हें थोड़ा सा डोपामिन रिलीज होगा, तुम्हारा डोपामिन रिलीज होगा, यू गेट एस्केप फ्रॉम योर बोरिंग लाइफ. एंड जब लोगों के पास वो इजीली एक्सेसिबल बटन है, वो उसको बार बार क्लिक करेंगे. एंड जब वो उसको बार बार क्लिक करेंगे, व्हाई वुड दे एवर वांट टू नॉट क्लिक दैट बटन? सो दैट इज द डिफरेंस, दैट इज द पॉइंट व्हेन यू हैव टू मेक अ कॉन्शियस डिसीजन कि मेरे को अब ये बटन प्रेस नहीं करना है बिकॉज इट्स लाइक अ ड्रग. ये बस मेरी बॉडी को every single Netflix episode that you watch, तुम जब watch next दबाते हो, that is like pressing that button of continuing to live in that fictional reality. And that is true. You can use it as a relaxation. But kabhi na kabhi you have to return to the real life. You have to return to your own life and work in it because that's how it works. Sadly, that is the harsh truth, but that is how it works. So
yeah,
that was.
and I wanted to add to this. I had a conversation, not regarding this, but something related to this with a senior of mine. He's studying psychology. So he told me that most psychological and psychiatric diseases, there are not diseases, psychological disorders and some psychiatric diseases are generally on a spectrum. ठीक है? जैसे stress, anxiety and panic, ये तीनों एक spectrum पे होता है. I think we've discussed this before also.
Yeah,
उसी
yeah,
तरीके से this all is also in a spectrum.
yeah.
Schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a psychiatric disorder, and it's a very serious medical disorder where people genuinely start hallucinating that some people exist and they are talking to those people, they are
Yeah.
interacting with those people, but those people don't exist in real life, they exist in their brain, right? And you thinking that you are entering into another fictional world is kind of on the easier part of the spectrum.
Yeah.
Not something to be very much concerned about, but it
Yeah.
is part of the spectrum. If
Yeah.
you go on with it, go on and on with
It
it.
can lead to a, it can go on with a domino effect if you don't have a control over it.
Exactly, it can go on with that, and that is very important क्योंकि ये स्पेक्ट्रम को
Yeah.
रियलाइज करना हर कोई कर नहीं पाता है स्पेक्ट्रम को रियलाइज क्योंकि
Exactly. Yeah.
स्पेक्ट्रम के इस एंड पे जो है और उस एंड पे जो है वो फर्क उसमें जमीन आसमान का फर्क है बस ये सोचना सोते हुए सपना देखना कि मैं हैरी पॉटर यूनिवर्स में चला गया हूँ एंड आई एम डूइंग मैजिक
Yeah.
ट्रिक्स मैं किसी को बलून बना के मैंने अब जिसको मेरे से नफरत है मैंने उस बंदे को बलून बना के उड़ा दिया और तब डूइंग ऑल दैट स्टफ थिंकिंग अबाउट ऑल दैट स्टफ एंड बीइंग हैप्पी इज फाइन बट
Fine. Exactly.
you know uh, having literal hallucinations about it, that is the most extreme
That's
part of it.
scary.
That's scary, that's the most extreme part of it, and it can happen. The point being it can happen. And
तुम इतना इंडल्ज हो जाते हो फिक्शन में that you stop realizing the difference between fiction and reality. That
and
is
I'll
such a case. Yeah.
and also talk about something, something uh, I really don't want to put on the podcast, but I really feel like
Hmm.
this statistic that 90% of the rapes or violent crimes, sexual violent crimes, have show that they were motivated by some form of violent pornography.
Yeah. Exactly.
It is
That is the point where
that is what
exactly.
it is. It is fiction. But when people stop understanding the difference between fiction and reality, they think they feel entitled and what
मैंने
happens.
तो मैंने तो स्क्रीन पे यही देखा था एंड दिस शुड बी रियलिटी राइट मतलब लिटरली दैट इज सो वो हार्मफुल दैट ह्यूमन बीइंग्स अस आर स्टॉपिंग टू रियलाइज द डिफरेंस कि क्या सच्चाई है एंड क्या नहीं है व्हाट इज पॉसिबल इन रियल लाइफ एंड व्हाट इज नॉट पॉसिबल इन रियल लाइफ लाइक एज यू डिस्कस्ड दिस द वायलेंट आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू डेप्थ अबाउट इट बट ये इज सच अ वो केस ऑफ our human brain is so fascinated by these things that हमें ये चाहिए होता है real life में and once we don't get that we become frustrated this dopamine release of clicking a button and watching a new episode and entering into fictional reality might sound good in the short term but इसका extent अगर ज़्यादा हो जाता है if it becomes a proper obsession not even addiction a proper obsession it can lead into various consequences in the real life and that is the part where us we people who are being indulged in those fictional realities have to draw a line हमें एक line create करनी है कि हमें कितना obsessed होना है इस चीज से कितना नहीं होना है and even if we are addicted to it even if we like it we have to realize that that does not exist we are just fascinated by some imaginary characters in an imaginary world at the end of the day
There are a lot of stats, and I don't
it
even
is
believe in these kind of statistics.
human yeah.
But they say 70% of Gen Z either has reported anxiety or depression.
Hmm.
That's huge. 70%. That's huge. And if it holds some amount of truth, if it holds some amount of truth,
Why wouldn't someone want to shift realities if the 70% of the population is suffering from mental health disorders like these? Why the hell won't a person want to shift to a reality where magic is real? That is the thing. Our world has become such a place where shifting realities or moving to an imaginary world seems like the only option that can give us happiness. But we have to do realize that that doesn't happen. So I guess this should be it. So we had a pretty productive session today, I guess, and it was really, really fun talking about this stuff. It really fascinates me. Like, this was a very important thing to be discussed upon, and we had a very good conversation on it. Thank you, Karan, for uh, joining me in this conversation. So thank you guys for listening to yet another podcast. We'll see you in another one. Peace.